In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Booking.com. Whether you're on the app or the website, I'll walk you through the fastest way if you're already signed in and what to do if you can't remember your password. I'll also share a few helpful pointers so everything goes smoothly. Let's start with the quickest method when you're already logged in. Open Booking.com and sign in if you aren't already. From the home screen, look for your profile icon or the main menu. On mobile, the profile icon is usually at the bottom or top corner, and on desktop, it's typically in the upper right. Open that, then go to Manage Account or Account Settings. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but you're looking for the section that controls your account details. Inside, find Security or Password Settings. Once you're there, choose Change Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password, then your new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. After you've entered those fields, tap or click Save. Your password updates immediately, and you'll use the new one the next time you sign in. Now, if you've forgotten your password, here's what to do. Go to the Booking.com login page and select Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your account. Then, open your email inbox and look for a message from Booking.com with a reset link. Tap or click that link and you'll be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password. Follow the on-screen prompt to set your new password and you're all set. You'll receive an email with reset instructions, and once the new password is created, you can sign in normally using those updated credentials. A few quick reminders to keep in mind as you go. Menu names like Manage Account, Account Settings, Security, or Password Settings can appear slightly differently depending on updates, but they'll lead you to the same place. When choosing a new password, aim for something long, hard to guess, and not reused on other sites. And once your password is changed, keep it private to protect your bookings and save details. To summarize, if you're logged in, change your password from your account's security or password settings. If you're logged out or can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option and follow the email reset link. That's it. Quick, clear, and secure.